Nike is set to launch the Nike Mind 001 in 2026, a futuristic recovery slide created to merge science, comfort, and style. The silhouette highlights a sculpted midsole with ripple-like edges and strategically placed pods designed to aid in post-performance recovery, accented in bright orange for visual contrast against the clean white build. Its slip-on construction and perforated upper enhance airflow and comfort, while branding remains subtle with small swooshes. Packaged in a Nike Mind Science Department box, the release underscores Nike's experimental and innovation-driven direction in performance lifestyle footwear. Priced at $120, the model extends Nike's influence beyond athletic sneakers, targeting athletes' downtime with recovery-focused utility. Available through select retailers and Nike.com, the Nike Mind 001 symbolizes the brand's move into new territories, offering a bold mix of modern design, functional support, and elevated everyday wear.